What's up learners, welcome to new video of Tech Codex. Today I am going to show you top 3 best way to learn programming language in 2022. First of all, number 1, Python. What is Python? It is a high level language, means it is an programming language which make a Python a beginner very user friendly language. What you can do with Python? Make games. Use it as a backend in website. What are the meaning of backend? I will tell you. For example, you need to sign up in YouTube and you need to give your first name, last name, and then after others details also, and it will go to YouTube and YouTube will reform it and give it to you. That is backend to store the data of any client or person. You can make calculator easily with the help of Python. If you need a Python calculator tutorial, hit 10 likes on this video. Make bots, that means you can make robots, and after these practices you become an Python expert. That means you can practice or explore Python yourself. And number 2, JavaScript. It is also an high level language mainly used to create website logics. Now what you can do with JavaScript? Use it as a website frontend. I will tell you what means frontend in the later video. You can write logic and many more, but it's an important step for beginners or first step for beginners. After that, you can explore JavaScript yourself. Now, what means frontend? Frontend is a thing in which you do HTML and CSS, and you need to give a logic to the website. That means you use JavaScript, that is called frontend. Number 3, HTML, CSS. These two are the very easy programming language and beginner friendly, and this is also a high level language. Why HTML and CSS? It is mainly used to create website. You can earn money after 1 year if you know HTML 80%, CSS 70%, and JavaScript 50%. You can earn with HTML and CSS, but JavaScript will be a better option. You can create games if you know JavaScript also, with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And thank you for watching video till the end. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe like this in the video.